gonna do it.
All right, Lila.
Good
Wait,
job.
Paige, you can go next. We'll take turns.
Don't do duet.
No, no pushing.
No pushing.
Oh!
No. Paige,
do you
come
want
here. You
time
can
out?
go next.
Paige, come here, please. Come here, I gotta tell you a secret. Paige, I got a secret for you.
Paige, we all take turns. Do you want to go next? Okay. We're going to listen to Lila and cheer for her, and then we're going to listen to you and cheer for you.
Yes. Stand up, she said. Quinn, stand up. There's a routine here.
It always takes her a minute. She gets shy.
Oh, okay. I'm not gonna look.
Just go when you're ready, Lila. We'll just be here waiting.